Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we've got the Ram. I washed it last week, but it's got a light layer of dust all over it because it's been really nice, and then did a bit of raining over the weekend. So what I want to do is I just want to show you a couple of chemicals from Starbrite. So we've got Starbrite snowfoam. They were kind enough to send this over to me, and I have used it a few times up to now, and I've been really impressed with it. So we've got the snowfoam and the XL shampoo. So I'll just ram a little bit off about it, or about them, and then we'll get cracking on. So I'll put the prices up on the screen for these two products because they're absolutely dirt cheap. So they'll obviously aim towards like valeting people or valeters in the budget end of chemicals, but whilst we say that, they are actually really good top-notch chemicals. So the snowfoam, just before we go into it, basically says to use it between 1 and 5%. So I've just been using it at 50 ml in 500 ml of water. So I'm going to use, obviously we're doing the Ram, it's a massive car, so I'm going to use 100 ml into the Lance. But just before we do any more, just on reading it, it does have all the chemicals on here, and it says it's got sodium salts and sodium hydroxide in it. So we need to be careful with using these sort of trade type chemicals, because whilst they're highly effective, they do have like sodium hydroxide in. So it is a caustic snowfoam, this, so it's going to eat your LSPs away, and in the long term use it may cause your plastics to go brittle. But for a high cleaning snowfoam for occasional use, absolutely bang on. Shampoo says to use 25 ml of shampoo in 10 litres of water, so it's actually quite a highly concentrated shampoo. And again, I'm going to use this in the Lance today, so I've got the Arva pressure washer and Lances out. I use both of these in that. I'm going to do the wheels again with the snowfoam and just rinse them off because they're not too dirty. We'll wash the truck with the XL shampoo through the Lance, and I'm not going to be putting any protection on because it's just about these two chemicals. So yeah, very cost effective. They are trade chemicals, so they're quite strong, but like I say, they sent them over for me to try, and I've used them a few times and I've been really impressed with them. So I'm going to show you how effective they are, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So yeah, I'll get these into the Lance or Lances, and I'll get rocking on. So you enjoy.
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, big bass, that's where the heart is. I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe, I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe, big bass, that's where the heart is.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how clean it's come up. There's still a little bit of light traffic film on there, but nothing really serious. So yeah, snowfoam. So yeah, snowfoam's done a good job, and we're going to get onto the shampoo. So the shampoo, I'm actually gonna go a bit off the cuff here. I'll bring it around. So the shampoo I've put into this bottle, and I've gone for around 60ml. To be honest, I just free-handed it in, but yeah, about 60ml. So yeah, I've already made that up in this other bottle, so I'll just swap the top over now. Like so. I don't know why, but I always struggle getting this screw thread to go on. So yeah, I've got the shampoo in there. We'll apply it by lance, and we'll use one bucket to clean the mitt in. And get it washed. So yeah, this kind of annoys me a little bit as well, so just make sure you can see what I'm doing. So like, to get this lance onto here, you've got to get it in the right place. Don't know if it's just me who's being a bit weird, but yeah, because it's got that Karcher fitment on the end, you've got to, there you go, you've got to line it up. Don't know, I think it's just me, to be honest, but yeah, a bit awkward. So yeah, let's get it on the car, get a mitt on it, and we'll get it washed. And then yeah, so I think, you know, I quite like this shampoo because it really comes out quite foamy through the cannon, and it's really well lubricated. No real scent to it or anything like that, but again, for the price point that it's at, it's absolutely superb. I do have another shampoo from them, which is like a polymer shampoo, but yeah, this is just the pure shampoo. So yeah, let's get it on, see what you think. Also, just as an FYI, I've seen some things on social media, and it's about adding some shampoo to your wash bucket and some into your foam lance for doing this method, and how if you do that, the surfactants in the shampoo in the bucket help to pull the dirt to the bottom, which is great and everything, but by the time you put your first wash mitt onto the panel and rinse it, you add the shampoo to the bucket that way, so you don't need to waste any more product. So yeah, just be careful with marketing jargon and companies finding ways for you to use more product than you need to. So yeah, lovely thick shampoo, goes on really nice through the lance, really well lubricated, absolutely superb. So I'll get the rest of the car done, and yeah. So I've actually gone round the whole car before I rinsed it off and allowed the shampoo to dry on, which is something you shouldn't really do. But I was keen to find out if it would streak if we let it dry on. But surprisingly enough, just dry this panel. It's left a really good finish behind. There's no streaking at all on the panel. Looks absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. It's a great shampoo, that is. So I'm going to dry the rest of the car off and then I think we'll call it at that. So it's come out really well. Been using them products for quite a bit now. I've actually probably used them 5 or 6 times, and to be honest, every time I've used them I've got really good results, so I'm really impressed with them. And like I said, price point, absolutely budget price chemicals, but do an absolutely fantastic job. So definitely wholly recommend them for you, especially for you guys who are using a lot of chemicals, doing a lot of jobs, maybe day in day out. They're going to be absolutely perfect for that. But that shampoo is really a top class product, and you're going to struggle finding a shampoo anywhere near as good as that at that price point. So massive thumbs up to Starbrite Chemicals. Like I said, I've got a polymer shampoo of theirs as well that I've not used yet, so I'll pop that in on a future video. But yeah, just a quick and easy one today, nothing strenuous, and you know, I hope you enjoyed it. Fingers crossed it wasn't too boring. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. And I do have this competition, I know I've been saying it for a little while, but I do have this kicking in soon. Just waiting for some final bits to arrive to put together, and I think you're really going to want to get involved in this because there's some real quality waxes and products that are going to be in this bundle. So keep your eyes out for that because it's going to be happening soon, and you could well be in with a decent chance of winning that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, if you want to. I mean, if you think it's rubbish then don't, but yeah, drop a comment and I'll catch you next time.